Blessing tayo, Bebe Love. Bye-bye. Sabi ni Sir Dada, ihatid mo daw yung item kay JNT, 10 yun. Pero, may bayad. Oo nga, may bayad. May bayad si Sir Dada. Bebe Love. Eto, Dadang! 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Libre na yung wavy mo for today, tsaka yung pouch. Regalo ni Ate Vine.
Regalo ko sa inyo.
Happy birthday! More sales! Kala mo hindi kita makakapture ngayon. Ayan si Ate, kakutsaba, Ang ganda-ganda ni Ate, Yay! Thank you. Ingat kayo, ingat. Huwag magpaulan. Bye-bye!